Hey guys, welcome back to my canal. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, and give this video a thumbs up if you like what you're watching. Today, I don't know what possessed me, but I thought it would be an amazing idea to do my nails again after only a week. Well, no, I take it back. I know why. My babe got me like a full collection of Valentino colors that I'm obsessed with, so I've been like getting inspo online, and I thought I'm just like a nail pro, and I thought I would give it a shot. So the hardest part for me is literally taking off a newer set of nails. If you guys have any recommendations or have a better way for me to do this, maybe I'm not even soaking them right, if that even makes sense. I just felt like soaking the nail off took so long. I literally sat there for almost a damn hour. If you're a beginner like me, I definitely recommend like soaking the day before, because this took me like 45 minutes, even though this little like time lapse looks so freaking fast. Que ya cuando ya me llegó el tiempo like to do my nails, ya se me quitaron todas las ganas. I was so fucking irritated. And then I even like put even more of a half-assed job when I had to apply the acrylic because I was just so tired. All right, you guys, so all of the stuff that you guys are seeing in my video, you can find on my Amazon storefront, which I will link in the description below, but it is www.amazon.com/shop/mercs, and you'll see like a nail tab, all the drill bits, all the clippers, even like perfumito that you can put into your monomer so it doesn't smell so strong. It literally smells like green apple. The glues, a lot of the acrylic powders I got on Amazon as well. But yeah, now I'm just applying the powder, and as you can see, I put it on slow-mo or slower for a reason, para que ustedes vean, like I am not this one bead application. I'm not even a 2-bead application or a 3-bead. I put as many beads as I need to get the look that I'm going for. It does take me a while. Imagínate, that's right-handed. Imagine what I look like doing my left hand. Like, oh my god, ténganme lástima. But I was trying to do a look here, and it was just, you know how when you do lighter colors on your entire nail, you can kind of see your actual like nail line. I think that looks so fugly, so me quise poner like a nude underneath it up until that line and then do the rest. Pero me salieron tan pinche feitas that all that effort that it took me to do them, by the time I was done, girl, you won't believe that I just ended up putting red nail polish over all that work. You guys are not going to believe me when I tell you that I lost all of the footage painting my uñitas rojas after all of this work. But in a minute, you guys are going to see how much time I spent filing. I even had to do it by hand for a little bit because I was just tired of the e-file. They were just so crooked from like trying to put the base and then put the pink over it. They turned out the most lopsided. Like this was like my beginner work, and I haven't done work this bad. Like I usually don't really even have to file that much because everything kind of self-levels, and I'm only doing one color. So this was really challenging for me. Excuse the noise in the background. Apparently there's emergencies going on. But anyway, I'm so sorry, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this type of a video. Next time I could do, a get to know me video while I do my nails. But here's the final product.